Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support, and if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. It's Throwback Thursday, y'all, and I'm out here for a night flight. And this here is my Moontop MT9916. It's a Cyma X11 clone, and some even dubbed this thing the Cyma X11 Killer. So on deviation, this thing is about even with the Cyma X11, but without deviation, this thing has a faster yaw and deeper pitch than the Cyma X11. So I think the Cyma X11 was saved by deviation. It evens it out a little more. Well, evens it out exactly, it seems to me. But anyhow, this one has really nice lights. I have modded it to pH 2.0 to accept these batteries here. And so I'm going to be flying it with that. And deviation, my jumper. This is the battery I'm using in case you guys want to see it. It's a 380 milliamp hour high voltage pack. I only charged it up to normal voltage, but let's get this guy in the air. Flip set up, let's see. Yep. Okay, so everything's good now. Check it out, it has that flashlight in the middle, in the front. Wow, and this guy is acting a little weird on me. I don't know what's up with it. He tried to go down on me just now. Got everything squared away now. Oh yeah, I'm wondering if the battery is a little weak because it is trying to dive on me, trying to go down. Oh yeah, I'm at full throttle and it's not going up in the air. Let's see if we can swap this battery out for the other one that I have in my pocket. The lights aren't flashing though, I don't understand it. Okay, so we're back in the air with it. Try some flips. Get a loop. Oh! Went down from that one. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I think that's the way it's just flying. It seems to want to go down on me. And I'm at full throttle. And it's not going up. Yeah, I think the battery might be dying. Yeah. Something's up with it. Alright, I'm swapping back to the other battery. Oh man. Well, maybe one of the motors, I think one of the motors are dying. That's what it is. So one of the motors on this guy is dying. This motor over here seems to not really be turning that strong. And that's stopping it from going up for me. Yep, it looked like it completely died. So I have expended a motor on this thing. I guess it's about time though. This thing is ages old and I never replaced the motor on it. So I guess I'm going to have to replace the motor on it now. And so this is the Moontop MT9916. Throwback Thursday. Thanks for watching.